In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your media library so your workspace stays organized and your products load quickly and look professional. Start by signing in and heading to your Podia dashboard. This is your home base, where you can access everything related to your storefront. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner and click your account name to open the drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll find key settings and tools that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From the drop-down, choose Media. The media area is your library of all uploaded assets, images, PDFs, videos, audio, and other files you've attached to pages, products, emails, or messages. Think of it as the central filing cabinet for your Podia site. To remove a single file, first locate it in the library. If your library is large, use the search bar to find it faster. Searching by file name or keyword is often the quickest way to narrow things down. When you've found the file, hover over it and look for the delete option. Depending on your view, this may appear as a trash can icon or inside an options menu represented by 3 dots. Click that delete option, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. Deleting a file removes it from your media library and can impact any place where that file was used, such as a course lesson, a product page, or a sales page. If the file is still in use and you remove it, you may see broken images or missing downloads. If you're confident it's no longer needed, confirm the deletion to proceed. If you're doing a bigger cleanup, you can select multiple files and delete them in bulk. This is much faster than removing items one by one. Just be extra sure you've selected only the files you truly want to remove, because bulk actions apply to everything you've checked. A couple of tips to make this smoother. Search before you scroll, especially in large libraries. If you're unsure whether a file is still used, quickly review the relevant product or page first to avoid accidental breaks. And if you later realize you need a deleted file, you can re-upload it and update any spots where it's referenced. That's the process. Open your dashboard, use your account menu to get to media, find the file, click delete, confirm, and use bulk selection when needed. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!